There is a chance that you might experience this issue while changing the wallpaper on Google Pixel 9a, that it doesn't want to change. As you can see, I'm trying to select it and it just changes back from time to time, depending on what I choose. So in this case, the solution might be quite simple. You might just need to switch to any other wallpaper for a second to be able to switch to the desired one. However, in some cases you might need to simply set up the wallpaper again by going to more wallpapers. Now this might be quite inconvenient, especially if you set up your own photo as a wallpaper, because you need to go to my photos and search for your photo, etc. It might be less painful or less annoying when you just choose from the categories, but essentially if you go through more wallpapers, it seems to be definitely consistent and always working compared to these options that we have in this menu. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!